Hey guys, welcome back to Hashtag on the Menu 757. So I decided to start a new Thanksgiving mini series, and my first recipe that I'm going to be bringing you guys is going to be sweet potato biscuits. Hopefully you'll incorporate these into your Thanksgiving menu. So to start, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And I'm going to take 1 3/4 cups of gluten-free flour, or you can use regular flour. Then I'm adding to that 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. To make sure my biscuits are nice and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and sift all of my ingredients together. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Next, take 6 tablespoons of shredded cold butter and incorporate that into your flour mixture. To me, this makes it easier than having to cut the butter into your flour, and you have even pieces of butter spread throughout. Next, you're going to take 3/4 cups of pureed sweet potato and a half cup of buttermilk. If you prefer pumpkin, you can go ahead and substitute pumpkin here. Next, take your biscuit dough and press it out into a lightly floured parchment paper. For gluten-free dough, you're going to want to press it so it's at least 1/2 inch thick. This will make sure you get a nice decent amount of height to it. For regular flour, since it is going to rise better, you can press it out a little bit thinner. Put these in the oven on 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, your gluten-free sweet potato biscuits. Check these out. They are nice and fluffy inside, you guys. These pair perfectly with some honey butter, or just drizzle some regular butter and then honey inside. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.